Most businesses are using AI sales chatbots wrong, and it's costing them deals every day. 3 steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a system where AI replies in seconds, qualifies leads on its own, and only loops in your sales team when it actually counts. Studies show if you wait 30 minutes to reply a lead, you're 100 times less likely to reach them than if you'd reply in 5. The average sales team takes over 40 minutes. That's the gap we're closing. Step 1 is the part where most setups break before they start. Build the brain. Most AI chatbots are glorified FAQ lookups. They answer the questions you pre-wrote. The second a prospect asks something off script, they freeze. SleekFlow's agent flow works differently. You feed it your website, your PDFs, your internal docs. It digests that material into structured knowledge articles your team can review and edit inside the platform. So when a prospect asks, do you have a plan for 20 people? The AI pulls from what you've already documented, not a guess. And when something changes, your team updates the article. The AI gets smarter every day. Step 2 is the part most teams skip. Turn the AI from a responder into a seller. With Agent Flow playbooks, you train the AI on your actual sales process, not scripted replies, your real SOPs. So when that same prospect asks, can I see a quote? The AI doesn't just say yes and wait for a human. It recommends specific products based on what the customer asked for. It sends a pricing breakdown, it books a demo, it drops a payment link in the chat, all before a human has seen the conversation. Checkmob, a field sales software company, set this up exactly this way. Their team was spending hours on first touch follow-ups and repeat questions. They handed first contact qualifications and demo bookings to Agent Flow over WhatsApp. Response time dropped 70%. Qualified demo bookings went up 20%. And because everything runs through one inbox, it works across channels. Website to WhatsApp to Instagram, your team sees one thread. The customer never has to repeat themselves. Step 3 is where most deals actually die. The lead has been chatting with your AI for 10 minutes. Your agent gets the notification, joins the chat, starts scrolling back from the conversation trying to figure out what's going on. By the time they reply, the lead has cooled. This is where the system pays off. The AI has done the heavy lifting, it replied instantly, qualified the lead, and moved the conversation forward. Now it hands off to your agent with a full summary already written. Customer intent, pain points, where the conversation stands. Your agent reads it in seconds and picks up where the AI left off. Once they're in, Copilot helps them respond well. It coaches the agent on what to say in the moment. It pulls quick research on the spot, so your agent never has to pause to go looking for an answer. The customer doesn't feel the switch. They just feel like your team is incredibly on top of things. Remember the 30-minute window from the start of the video? This is how you stop missing it. Build the brain so the AI knows your business. Let it sell, qualify, and book demos on its own. Then hand off with a full summary so your agent picks up cold start free. AI handles the volumes, your team handles the close. Like and subscribe for more tips on conversational AI and automation flows. See you in the next video!